What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy and we're out here in Vegas today. We're on a little work trip, so we're out here. We got the Sphere right there, we got the Venetian, all these. But yesterday we had a nice day over in the NFL. We hit so many plays. Go over on the Winible. It's winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports, and you're going to be able to see all the wins there. Today's play. In Vegas, you can't bet on Prizepicks or Sleeper or Chalkboard or any of those. They have it all blocked here. But one play that I'm loving is Patrick Mahomes over 210 passing yards, Travis Etienne over 40 rushing yards, and then Xavier Worthy over 30 receiving yards. So make sure to go lock that in over on Sleeper, Chalkboard, Prizepicks, wherever you want to play that. If you use the code 907 Fantasy over on Sleeper and Chalkboard, they're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money to go and play with. So make sure to go and get that locked in, and then go and get that, play that over on one of those apps. So I'll put the play up here along with, if you guys are needing any of those, make sure to get it locked in. We're going to have a good day in Vegas today. We're here for the next couple of days, so videos will be a little bit different for the next couple of days. So don't have the normal setup here. But good luck with all the plays today for Monday Night Football between the Jaguars and the Cheifs. I'm betting the money line on the Cheifs today, taking them to win over the Jaguars. And then we got the play of the day, which is Patrick Mahomes over 210, Travis Etienne over 40 rushing, and then we got Xavier Worthy over 30 receiving yards. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go lock that in. Let's go have another winning day, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.